I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is Pinnacle Trading here. So today I'm pleased to announce that we have the official Pinnacle Trading website up and running, and we also have the memberships that started. The chat room was free for about 5 to 6 months, but right now we have the memberships that are starting, and simply 1 or 2 trades can easily pay for that. If you have been in the chat room and you've seen the winning trades and all the swing alerts, options alerts, you can see that each trade will easily add up and pay for the membership. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the website, but before that, make sure to click that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified. We did hit over 2,000 subscribers, and let's keep that going up. We also have our social media links. Make sure to follow us on there. We have Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and we also have the Robinhood referral link right over here. You can click on that, or the links will also be in the description if you are on mobile or tablet, and you can easily see this on the computer. So let's go ahead and look at the website. So this is what it looks like, and you can scroll down over here. It's a quick description of what Pinnacle Trading is about and talks about the memberships on the main page, and you can get a free 1-week trial, no cost, just to see what the alerts are like, and that will be a free 1-week trial of the gold membership. We have the silver, gold, and diamond right now. And we can also see some testimonials. We also have our social media links right here and the terms of service below over there. So once you go over to the about page, you can basically get a quick glance of what Pinnacle Trading is about and our background, and I'll be updating that as we go on. And we also have the membership plans right here, so I'm going to zoom out a little so that's easier to see, and then I'll zoom back in on each one so you can read it if you're watching on the phone or tablet or a smaller screen. So we have the 20% off promo right now that's going on. It's a limited time offer, and it'll probably run for about a month or two. I'll see how that goes on that one. Maybe a little longer or a little less. And these are basically the membership plans. They start at silver. On that one you get the swing trading alerts, swing chat room, and the main chat room access for everyone, even for the free members, and the watch list for the swing alerts. And gold will include the options trading and investing alerts. And I'm going to zoom in over here, and also we'll include the 10% off upgrade if you want to upgrade to the diamond later on. And you also get the voice channel that will be in the diamond as well. And moving into that, in diamond you get all chat rooms, all watch lists, all alerts, and you get a one-to-one mentorship access. That basically gives you 30 minutes of mentorship with me or another authorized person in the chat room to Skype, Discord chat room, which is easier for you. And I can do a screen share, also video chat. On that one, that'll be 30 minutes per week, and you can schedule that based on the times that we have available. And you'll also have voice channel access. I'll be on in the mornings for about 1 to 2 hours, and I might be a little on more later or a little less based on the schedule that I have, but I'll call out all the trades so that it's easier for you guys to listen to. Say you're out, or you don't have time to look at it and you just want to hear the alerts and get into the trades really quick. So that's an easy way that we're trying to send out the alerts to members. So that's the membership plans. You can check that out by visiting pinnacletrading.us and clicking here and checking out the membership. You can get a 1-week free trial if you haven't already been in the chat room already, and you can check out the alerts and join at membership anytime. There are no contracts. You can cancel at any time, and in the future we'll offer a full year subscription, which will give you a 20% discount based on compared to paying monthly, and later down the road we'll offer lifetime memberships. So you go over here and you can click the buy now button. Make sure to read the terms of service before, and you have to agree to that before clicking on that, and just agree to the terms of service. And once you're taken over to PayPal, then you can pay on there, and you just enter your email, password for your PayPal, or you can do a guest checkout. We accept the credit cards, also PayPal balance, etc. Whatever is on the PayPal checkout, you can see that on there. So right now we have the silver, gold, diamond. It's a simple month-to-month plan that we offer right now. And if you've been in the chat room, which is right here, we have our swing trading alerts, day trading, long-term alerts. So based on whichever package you choose, you get the ones that are available. And if you see the winning trades, you can easily see that within 1 or 2 days we'll have swing trades, and you can easily pay for the membership. And not just money, but you also do gain lots of knowledge from not only me but the other members in the group that have been more experienced than me, and you can see their winning trades, how they're taking that. You can also talk with other people. We have a different chat room for each one, and also post charts which shows my analysis on the trades. Just waiting for this to load up right now, and I'll post all of the membership data over here, and the rules and terms and announcements, and if you have any suggestions, they can go on there. So that's the website right now, and if you have any suggestions for the website or the chat room, make sure to message me or comment in the video, or you can post it in the chat room. Alright guys, so I just want to let you know that we have the memberships running right now. The chat room has been free for about 5 to 6 months, but we have the memberships coming right now. You can get a 1-week free trial if you haven't been in the chat room, and a lot of people have been asking me about the discounts and the membership, and if there's any contracts, and all of that I can answer. You can send me a message on Discord directly, or you can add a comment, and make sure to click that like and subscribe button. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a great week of trading. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave them in the comments below. Alright, take care.